This singing and dancing giraffe that I was recently gifted is just an adorable little toy. So it does take 3 AA batteries, and then it has an off and on switch. And what it does is it's got 2 functions. It plays songs here, so it's like nursery rhymes. So it's like the ABCs and the Itsy Bitsy Spider, some very traditional songs that the kids need to learn to enjoy as well. And then over here, it's a microphone. So whenever it's on and you're talking, it's going to record and play back what you just said. So let's give this a try. Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
How are you?
Let's dance.
Let's dance.
And then the songs here. So just a cute little toy. It has multiple songs that you're going to play, and it's going to play back what I am saying right now. A great toy for the younger kids.